So we all get them sometimes, these irresistible cravings that we just can't ignore. Today we're diving into the top 20 munchies that'll satisfy any craving. So grab a seat and let's get into this delicious journey. Starting off our list with a bang, we have the crunchy delights that make your taste buds dance. Number 20, classic potato chips. Whether you like plain, barbecue, or salt and vinegar, these crispy snacks are a timeless favorite. Pair them with your favorite dip and you're in for a treat. Now let's move on to the sweet side of our list. At number 19 we have ooey gooey caramel popcorn. The perfect combination of a sweetness and crunch, this snack is a movie night essential. Trust me, you won't be able to stop at just one handful. Who doesn't love cheese? Coming in at number 18, nachos with extra cheese. Loaded with all your favorite toppings and a generous amount of melted cheese, these nachos are a cheesy masterpiece. Perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Now back to the sweet side of things at number 17, cinnamon buns. With the sweet icing mixed with the taste of the cinnamon, your taste buds will thank you. Coming in at number 16, roasted peanuts. These are one of my favorites. Gives you that crunch along with the saltiness. I could eat them all day long. Are you ready to turn up the heat? Coming in at number 15, we have spicy hot wings. Whether you like them boneless or classic, these fiery wings are a must-have for any spice lover. Just don't forget the cooling ranch or the blue cheese dip. Indulge your sweet tooth with number 14, chocolate-covered pretzels. The salty-sweet combination of crunchy pretzels and velvety chocolate is simply irresistible. It's the perfect snack for any occasion. Let's dip into our next munchie at number 13, mozzarella sticks. These golden brown sticks of gooey goodness are always a crowd pleaser. Dip them in marinara sauce and you'll understand why they're a classic munchie. Escape to the tropics with number 12, pineapple salsa with tortilla chips. The sweet and tangy flavors of pineapple, mixed with spicy jalapenos, creates a refreshing salsa that pairs perfectly with crunchy tortilla chips. It's like a vacation for your taste buds. Taking it back to the classics, at number 11 we have deviled eggs. This retro snack is making a comeback and for good reason. Creamy, tangy, and oh so satisfying. A timeless delight that deserves a place on our list. Alright, we covered the first half of our top 20 list. We'll get back to it in a moment. But before we do, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. Lights, tents, ventilation, they got all your growing needs covered. And don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING, save yourself a little bit of money off your order. Alright, let's jump back into it. Number 10. Grilled cheese. A nice crunchy outside and an ooey gooey cheesy middle. You can even take it to the next level and grill your grilled cheese with cheese on the outside of it as well. And that'll... I make them like that sometimes and wow, yeah, they're really good. So if you ever get a chance, try them like that. Who says you can't have breakfast for munchies? Coming in at number 9, we have the breakfast burrito. Packed with eggs, cheese, and your favorite breakfast meats, these burritos are a satisfying and hearty option any time of day. Now it's time for one of those guilty pleasures we all secretly love. At number 8, we have loaded cheese fries. Crispy fries, smothered in cheese, bacon, and all the fixins. It's a decadent indulgence that's hard to resist. Get ready for a Tex-Mex fiesta with number 7, quesadillas. Whether you prefer a chicken, cheesy, or a veggie medley, these cheesy delights are always a crowd pleaser. Don't forget the salsa and the guacamole for the ultimate flavor explosion. Cool down with our number 6 munchie, ice cream sandwiches. The perfect combination of creamy ice cream sandwiched between two soft cookies. It's a handheld dessert that will satisfy your sweet tooth and help keep you cool. Transport your taste buds to the Mediterranean with number 5, hummus and pita bread. Creamy goodness of hummus, paired with warm, fluffy pita bread, is a snack that's both satisfying and nutritious. At number 4, we have a bite-sized sensation, sliders. These mini burgers pack a punch, with all the flavors of a full-size burger, but in a more manageable size. Perfect for sharing at parties or enjoying as a solo treat. Unleash your creativity with number 3, do-it-yourself snack mix. Mix and match your favorite nuts, pretzels, and candies, and more to create a personalized snack mix. It's the ultimate customizable munchie. Spice things up with number 2, stuffed jalapenos. These little bites of heaven are filled with cream cheese, wrapped in bacon, and baked to perfection. And now for the number 1 munchie, the one snack that tops them all, loaded nachos. Picture this, layers of crispy tortilla chips, layered with melted cheese, jalapenos, guacamole, sour cream, and your favorite protein. It's a fiesta in every bite. So there you have it, the top 20 munchies that'll elevate your snacking experience. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite snacks are. And while you're down there, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for joining me today on this Munchie Madness. Until next time, peace.